Alhamdulillahi Rabbil Alameen. As-salatu was-salamu ala khatimin nabiyyin wa ala alihi wa sahbihi ajma'in. Amma ba'd, fa'auzu billahi minash shaitanir rajim. Bismillahir rahmanir rahim. Qala Allah ta'ala fi Surah Al-Aaraf. Wa qala al-mala'u min qawmi fir'auna atadharu Musa wa qawmahu liyufsidu fil ardi wa yadharaka wa alihatak. قال سنقتل أبناءهم ونستحيي نساءهم وإنا فوقهم قاهرون. Translation. And the chiefs among the people of Pharaoh said, O king, will you let loose Musa and his people to spread mischief or disorder in the land and abandon you and your gods? He said, we will kill their sons and spare their women, for indeed we are masters over them. In the previous ayahs we studied that when the magicians accepted Islam and they declared that they believe in the Rabb of all Alameen, Pharaoh got very upset and he threatened them, but they did not listened to his threat and remained Muslims and remained the followers of Musa alayhi salam. Then the chiefs of Pharaoh sensed that this is something very big coming, because Pharaoh was humiliated in front of all the people, and the Bani Israel were kind of inclined towards Musa alayhi salam and accepting him, and also the people of Egypt, the local people of Egypt who were known as Qibtis, they were also kind of showing inclination towards Musa alayhi salam, which was very troublesome for Pharaoh and his chieftains. His chieftains kind of aggravated Pharaoh by saying that Musa alayhi salam is going to spread mischief and disorder in the land, and also your gods have been abandoned. Some say that Pharaoh claimed himself to be the big god, however he had some small gods as well. Some say that he made the statues of himself and they were used as small gods. However, there were other gods other than Pharaoh, but he called himself the big god, the Rabbi Allah. So when the chieftains of Pharaoh kind of scared him, he got very excited and said that I will do something that will hold the Bani Israel and other people follow Musa alayhi salam. And he used the same trick that he had used in the past, that all the boy or male children of Bani Israel were killed and only the females were let live, and he said he will do that again, and that could be the worst thing someone can do with a nation. Musa alayhi salam told his people in the next ayahs that what should they do, and they should not worry about it. But the last part of the ayah that is recited today is very important in today's circumstances, that whenever Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala gives someone power, when Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala gives someone might and wealth and control, they become arrogant and they think that they are controlling over other people. They think that they can make all the decisions themselves. As Pharaoh said that we are indeed the masters over Bani Israel and we can do whatever we want to do. However, Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala showed them that Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala has all the might, and Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala can destroy any nation who is doing injustice or who is doing these kind of things. And we can see that even today the same mindset is there. The same people are there who are the transgressors and who are killing the innocent people, thinking that they have all the control over them. They think that they have all the power, all the might, all the resources, so they can do whatever they want to do. But they must see in the history that what Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala have done with the people who were arrogant and who were killing the innocent people. May Allah help the innocent Muslims today as we help Bani Israel in the past. O Allah. Ameen. Wa akhir da'wana alhamdulillahi rabbil alameen. Wassalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu.